In this problem, the characteristic equation of a system is given in terms of K, and it is asked to find the location of breakaway and breaking points in the root locus. The relevant topic has been taught in NPTEL Control Engineering course in week 5, lecture 3 by Dr. Ramkrishna Pasumarthy of IIT Madras. The key concept to solve this problem are as follows. The closed loop transfer function of a negative feedback system with forward path transfer function Gs, forward gain K, and feedback path transfer function Hs is given by Ts equal to K times Gs whole divided by 1 plus K Gs Hs, and the corresponding characteristic equation is given by 1 plus K Gs Hs equal to 0. The breakaway points or breaking points of the root locus are the solution of dk by ds equal to 0. In the root locus, if breakpoints exist, then a breaking point lie between two consecutive zeros and the breakaway points lie between two consecutive poles. Let us solve this problem. We are given the characteristic equation. So we have CE equal to S cube 3s square plus k plus 2s plus 3k equal to 0. So we will try to find the expression of GSHS. Okay, so first thing is that we will separate the terms which are in k and which are not in k. Okay, we can take s common here. This will become s square 3s plus 2, and taking k common here we get k times s plus 3 equal to 0. Further, we can write it as k into s plus 1 into s plus 2 plus k times s plus 3 equal to 0. So we can divide this expression on the both side. So we will get 1 plus k times s plus 3 divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 equal to 0, which is k times gs hs equal to 0. Okay. Writing gs hs separately, we have s plus 3 divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. From the forward loop transfer function, we will try to plot the pole 0 location. So we have a pole at 0, then a pole at -1, again a pole at -2, and a 0 at -3. Now we will use the property of root locus to find on which section does the root locus lie. On a given section of the real axis, root loci are found in the section only if the total number of poles or rows of GSHS to the right of the section is odd. So let us consider this point. So we have one pole in right side of it, means it is an odd number, so we will have a root locus here. Again, take a point here. Since it has two poles in the right half plane, so there will be no root locus as the number of poles are even. Let us consider this point. Here we have 3 poles, which is an odd number, so we will have a root locus here. Again take this point, so we have 3 poles and 1 0, which is equal to 4, so it is an even number, hence we will not have any root locus plot here. The second property says that the breakaway or breaking point always lie between 2 poles or 2 zeros. So in this case we have 2 consecutive poles here. Okay, hence breakaway point will lie -1 to 0. To explicitly find the location of breakaway point, we'll use the expression dk by ds equal to 0. We'll use the formula dk by ds to find the exact location of breakaway point. Formula is dk by ds equal to 0. We have the characteristic equation with us, which is s cube plus 3s square plus 2s plus k times s plus 3 equal to 0, and we can write k directly as s cube plus 3s square plus 2s whole divided by s plus 3. Taking dk by ds, we get minus s plus 3, 3s square plus 6s plus 2 minus s cube plus 3s square plus 2s whole divided by s plus 3 whole square. Equating this to 0, we get dk by ds equal to 0. We get two s cube plus 12s square plus 18s plus 6 equal to 0, which is s cube plus 6s square plus 9s plus 3 equal to 0, and solve this cubic equation, we will get s equal to minus 0.46, minus 1.67, and minus 3.87. As discussed earlier, minus 0.46 lie between -1 to 0, so this is the breakaway point, and these 2 points does not lie in the root locus. In the given problem, it was asked to find the location of breakaway or breaking point in the root locus. To solve this problem, first we have tried to find the loop transfer function, that is GSHS expression, and then we have used the property of root locus to find the location of breakaway point in this problem, and we got -1, 0 as the location of breakaway point.